Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the defrosters on your Tesla vehicle. So just go on down to this option right here and tap this, and you can see all the different options for your defrosters. So you got this option right here, defogging. Then we got this option right here, we can warm it. So you can decide which one you want on. Looks like we can tap it twice. It's got the defrost option on here. I can hear it kicking in over there. So this is for the back, that's for the front, and then you should be good to go. Just turn them on right there. I believe they're under here as well. So we can hit this, and then we have the two options for rear and front right here, and we can drag these down here if we want. So we got the rear, and then we got the seat warmers, heated steering, climate. So look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.